Rapid growth and industrialization of cities around the world have led to burgeoning waste and pollutants, putting enormous stress to our living environment. Recycling and waste management is now an indispensable part of good operating practices and responsible corporate governance, instrumental in securing a sustainable environment for our future. As a pioneer and leader in hazardous waste management, one company specialized in intellectual property rights protection, transportation, storage, recovery, refining and treatment of industrial waste for a cleaner, safer and greener world is Shan Poornam Metals Sendirian Berhad. Incorporated in 1960 in Penang, Malaysia, Shan Poornam, that started as a waste collection center, has today grown into a regional group with highly integrated technology and innovative R&D in industrial hazardous waste management. Shan Poornam is now the link between industries and environment with intellectual property rights protection as the main commitment. The group has facilities in East and West Malaysia and India and currently employs some 350 trained and dedicated personnel with comprehensive expertise in this industry. Under the current leadership, Shan Poornam Group's waste management strategy is driven by the 4 R's green concept: reduce, reuse, recycle and recover, with primary facilities focused on the following areas. Rejected blank substrate recovery is a breakthrough and the first of its kind in the world. Shan Poornam eliminates the rejected blank substrate from going to landfill or incineration for disposal by recovering them using the chemical and electro-polishing method in 100K clean room environment. Zero contamination and defect and quality surface finishing are crucial for media industry's acceptance criteria. Shan Poornam engineered its own process for precious metal recovery for apparent and hidden precious metal from e-waste and other hazardous waste. Its customized cutting-edge environmental technology equipment comes with an integrated standalone wet scrubber. PCB, wire and connectors and other components from e-waste will go through our fully integrated auto metal recovery system. The metals are separated based on density variations using sound and dust-proof technology from the US and Europe. No chemicals are used in the process, thus eliminating risk to the environment. Shan Poornam is the first prescribed premise to be licensed by DOE to manage metal chips and articles contaminated with spent coolant under Schedule Waste Code 422. Centrifugal machine, rotary dryer with magnetic separator, briquetting machine and compactor are used to remove spent coolant from metal chips. The spent coolant is then channeled to a distillation process for recovery. Shan Poornam produces high-grade international standard ingots compliant with RoHS using raw materials recovered from hazardous waste. Our patented furnaces and auto-stacking machine used for aluminium ingot manufacturing facilities are supported by our air pollution control system, which consists of 3 bag filters. These eco-labeled aluminium ingots are then supplied to automotive and hard disk drive industries. The recovery of e-waste is not complete without plastic recycling, as plastic is the major component for electronic products. Huge volumes of sludge, acid, alkaline and solvent are generated by the electronic and related industry. These toxic and hazardous waste are well managed in Shan Poornam by its high technology and specially trained human resources and transported using specially designed tankers and lorries. Distillation, electrolytic, ion exchange, chemical polishing and precipitation are used for the recovery processes. Its residual waste is subsequently treated in our integrated wastewater treatment plant. Shan Poornam's research and development team are blended with top chemists, engineers and environmental, health and safety personnel who consistently strive for continuous improvements and breakthroughs which bring an added cost savings benefit to its industrial partners. The stringent operating standards and procedures ensure complete compliance to environment requirements and guidelines, whilst its state-of-the-art lab facilities meticulously analyze end products to ascertain they effectively meet customers' and industry's expectations and standards. Shan Poornam's manufacturing practice and high standards in quality control have earned the group its certification in ISO 14001, ISO 9001 and OSAS 18001. Shan Poornam's innovative technologies and efforts towards an environment-friendly concept have earned recognition from the Malaysian government's MITI Industrial Excellence Award 2010 and the Prime Minister Hibiscus Award 2010-2011, Notable Achievement on Environmental Performance and Special Project on Environment. It has also gained tremendous support and recognition from many multinational companies, including top Fortune 500 companies comprising of various industries and sectors. Shan Poornam Metals Sdn Bhd, your solution provider in Malaysia and your partner of choice in hazardous waste management. ENS, Environment, Nature, Society. Together, we progress towards a cleaner, safer, and greener world.